Did you know? The Mariana Trench is the deepest place on Earth. But even deeper are its secrets. Strange sounds, unknown creatures. Some say US military submarines heard things down there they couldn't explain. No light reaches this depth, yet something lives. What exactly is hiding in the dark? This isn't just the bottom of the ocean. It could be the gateway to another world. Alien, what do you think lives down there? Waterwave, comment your theory below and follow for more deep sea mysteries.